Hi everyone, Petal is Bless here. It's fall time now, and the Dollar Tree has some beautiful items for us to buy and decorate our home with, which I went into Dollar Tree and got some items, so I'm coming on to share it with you guys. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of my hauls and my DIYs. Alright everyone, let's get into what I got from the Dollar Tree today, what I bought. Alright you guys, like I was showing you, they have lots of nice pumpkins, and I picked up this one here and this one. Aren't they super cute, you guys? Nice pumpkin. I like that they have the gold tip on them. These ones are colored so nice. And I also got these ones and this. Isn't this super cute? These are such nice pumpkins, and they're heavy. They are heavy, you guys. These are super nice. And I got these candle pumpkins. Yeah, look at them, they're wax. These two are super cute. I got these also. Nice wax candles in the shape of a pumpkin. And I got this thankful and blessed. Thankful and blessed sign. This is also really nice. It's very nice. The back is plain. But it's nice. And they're sturdy. And I got these two. These are super cute too. You know, nice little decorations for the fall. I picked up two of those. And I got these candles, which they say Hello Autumn on them with the fall leaves. Isn't that cute, you guys? Super cute. And that's how they look on the inside. Very nice. And they have these tea-light holders in the shape of leaves. Isn't this cute? A rustic orange color. Looks kind of bright on the camera, but they're more like a rustic orange, which is very nice. So I got two of those. And they also come in this greenish brown color. And this one's a bigger leaf than the other two. But they're all tea light candles. Candle holders. Super cute. I love that. And I picked up this bucket. You guys, isn't this nice? This is so nice. And it has a metallic orange on it. Oh, this is so nice. I got that. I'm going to put some flowers in it. And I also pick up this pack here. It's pumpkin spice potpourri. Or pottery. This is so nice. And it smells nice, you guys. OMG. It smells so nice. It's pumpkin spice. And I got these felt leaves. They come in all sorts of colors in the pack. But it's a nice pack of felt leaves for the fall. And I got these super cute ribbons. Aren't those cute, you guys? With the leaves all over them. That is so nice. And I got some kitchen towels with the fall design on them. With the leaves, I think they are so nice. So bright and nice. So I got those. And I also got the matching oven gloves, you guys. With the fall leaves. Nice fall design for your kitchen, you know. And then I got these big acorn decor. I got two of them. You know, they're felt. It's nice. I got these. I'll be doing a DIY with these. And of course I had to get one in the pumpkin. Yes, I did. I got one in the pumpkin, a big orange pumpkin. I think they're so nice. Now I'm going to share with you guys some flowers that I got for the fall. Dollar Tree has a whole bunch of nice flowers this year. And this is one. Well, actually it's two bunch. And these are, it says they're sunflowers. And then I got these ones here. Aren't these nice with the cotton balls in them, you guys? A little pinch of cotton opening up and acorns and all that. This is so nice. And they just labeled this one cotton. Hey, one of the cottons fell off. Did you guys see that? One of the cottons fell off. But that's okay. I'll just glue it back on with some hot glue. OMG. Anyways, these are so super cute. And then I got these ones. These are nice too. And I got some leaves. And there's these ones. Nice colors for the fall. And these set too. These are so cute. And it's the same flowers but in an orangish color. Oh, and then I got some of these. These ones are by themselves without the cotton. The other one was similar. It had cotton. Okay, here's the difference. Yeah, no, they're not the same. They have these leaves the same. And then I'm going to show you guys what I found. And I'm so excited about this, you guys. Look what I found. Black roses. OMG. Black roses, you guys. Now, I know they put them out for Halloween. Why I know is because they have spiders in them. They have spiders, but I'm going to cut out those spiders. OMG, you guys. Black roses. Oh. I don't know, probably you guys get them in America, but I've never found them over here in Canada. No, I've never found the black roses. I search for them each year and haven't found them. And I found some too. Yes, yes, yes. So I bought a few bunches. I think I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bought 6 bunches. That's all they had at Dollar Tree that I went to. And I bought all 6 of them. Aren't they nice? Black roses, you guys. OMG. I'll be doing a DIY with this. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I'm so excited. I think this was one of my favorite finds at the Dollar Tree this time. Yes, these roses. I found some more candle holders. The glass candle holders. Now, I know you can't order these online, but whenever I go into the Dollar Tree, if I see them, I just pick them up. And I did. So I picked up 3 because I wanted 3 of them for a DIY, so I picked up 3. And I picked up this vase also from the Dollar Tree. A nice little vase. We're doing a DIY with that. Now I found some new wall peel and stick stickers that has the mirrored effect. And I think these are so nice. So I'm going to share with you guys what they are. So they have this one, which is arrows. Isn't this nice, you guys? And then they have the dream. Isn't this super cute? So I got 2 of each. I got 2 dream. And then this one is the leaves. This is so cute. And like I said, I got 2 of those. And they have the love. Isn't this nice, you guys? Got 2 love. And I got a Paris, but I only got 1 Paris because the one with the Paris was all finished. All they had was 1. Well, I'm glad I got the 1, but all they had was 1. I wish they had 2. I got 2 of everything else, but the one with the Paris, I only got 1. Yeah, but I was so happy to find this also there. And I found some rhinestone trims. You guys, aren't these nice? These are very nice. They have it in that color. And they also have them in this colors. So 2 with those. And then 2 with the gold, the rose gold, and the brown. Yeah. These are for my giveaway packages. That's why I picked up those. And I picked up another pack of thank you cards from the Dollar Tree. This is nice. You get 6 in the pack. And they're blank inside, and you can write thank you. or anything you want to write in them, a little card to give someone. I always buy these at Dollar Tree. And I got another glass candle holder. We're doing a DIY with this. And I got a glass cutting board, you guys. Yeah, it's a cutting board. This is super cute. I wanted this just for me, for when I'm cutting up my little things that I use to cook very quickly. I don't do much cooking anymore, but little things that I cut up, I want to use this because I don't like the plastic ones. When I buy the plastic ones, after a while, whatever you use stains them, and it just looks bad to me. And I don't really like bleaching the stuff that I use. I have to bleach it to get it clean, and I don't like that, so I said get a glass one. And I got these compact mirrors. This is the mirror, and they have the designs on the back. They have the red lips, and they have this one, which is a zebra print, and they have one that says I love you. Yeah, but they're all the compact mirrors. I got 5 packs of these. Yeah, 5 packs. And I got this burlap ribbon, burlap, you know what it is, you guys, okay? I got this. Don't make fun of me. I got this, and I also got some crystal clear tape, and I got some duct tape. Use the duct tape with DIYs. Now, I have done DIYs with these before. The cute mirrors. So I picked up 2 more because I have another DIY that I want to do with them. So I picked up 2 more of these. And I got a strainer in red, which is nice, Betty Crocker. It's a small little strainer to wash my my fruits and vegetables that I use while I'm cooking and when to eat, because I eat my fruits. Just a little nice little strainer just for that, to strain them. And I got a baby scrub brush, you guys. Yes, I did. And the reason why I got this is because I have some drinking containers, and they have little small funnel parts that the water or the juice comes up through, and it's hard to get to clean them with the dishcloth. So this part of this brush is why I got it. So it will push up into the parts that I can't reach and get them clean. And so I bought one of these at the Dollar Tree. You should try it. A pie pan from the Dollar Tree, and along with a clear plate at the Dollar Tree. I'll be using these 2 for a DIY. And I got 2 black placemats. Yeah, I got these. I'll be doing a DIY with these. Isn't this design cute? You see the reflection, the shiny reflection on them? That's so nice. Yeah, so I picked up 2 of these. And you guys, whenever I go to Dollar Tree and I buy my envelopes that I mail my packages in, my giveaway packages, because they're $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And when I go to the post office, this size is $4. Yeah, $4, and at Dollar Tree it's $1.25. So I always go to Dollar Tree and buy my mailing packages. Yeah, it's much cheaper. I have some square mirrors, you guys. Yeah, the square mirrors. The ones that you get at Dollar Tree. Again, I know you can order these online too, but if I go in the store and I see them, why am I going to order online? I just pick them up. And I picked up, actually it's 2 trays I picked up, but the other one's over there and I can't hold the 2 of them to the camera, so I just brought one. So this is the box that they come in, and there's 20 in the box. There's 20 pieces in here, so I bought 2, so I have 40 pieces. Yeah, so I bought all these because they had just come in the store. They had just put them out, and I bought them. I just picked them up. Yeah. They had round ones and the other shape ones too, but I have some of those at home, so I didn't want to pick them up while I was there, so I didn't bother with that. I just picked up the square ones because my square ones were all done, and I love it. I'm super excited about this. I have a DIY, well, more than one DIY that I want to do with them, so I'm glad I got that. So that is my haul, you guys. OMG, my super huge haul from the Dollar Tree. I spent over $100. But you know, when you go in there and you see the things that you want and you need, what to do? I pick it up. Don't go in there and pick up things that you don't need though. That will be a little bit too carried away. But if it's something that you need or you're going to do something with, hey, why not? You need it, you buy it. And that's what I do. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my super huge haul that I had today from Dollar Tree. Yeah, and remember, as always, stay blessed. From Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye everyone.